Hey friends, welcome to another tool demo and review video. In this one, we're checking out the SEEKONE Dual Temp Heat Gun. So a couple quick things about the heat gun. Obviously, we can see here that it is 600 watts. This is a mini kind of small version, very handy to have around the house in the garage for small projects. You can also see that we have the two different phases. The first mode goes all the way up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Second goes all the way up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, inside the packaging, we're gonna find our instruction manual. We'll put this over to the side. We're gonna find our little nozzle attachment. Okay, looking at the actual gun, you can see that, again, compared to my hands, it is a smaller little gun here. Again, very manageable. This is something that we like having around the house for various projects. Check out the back here. You can see that we have the different settings. We got the power, and we click it up once. That is gonna be our first heat setting. And then if you need it really powerful, again, we can click it all the way up to the second position there. Okay, one of the other features about this gun I really like is the way it's designed. You can see that you can actually rest it up top just like this, and then you can power it on and allow the gun to heat up without having to hold it in place. It comes with this little attachment here that slips on the end. And basically what this does is it provides a little shield in the back of your wiring project. So we'll put the heat shrink tubing inside of this. You're gonna hit it with heat from this side, and then all that radiant heat is gonna come around this little shield and actually hit the back of the heat shrinking tube as well, molding it 360 degrees around all at once. Okay, so to activate the heat gun, we'll come down here to the little button. I'm gonna flip it to the run position. Okay, after just a few seconds, I'm gonna take my wire, my heat shielding, I'm gonna stick it just right underneath here. You can see that we're go ahead and rotate, and you can see that already shrinking into place. So it is a very quick process.